Daily gun review. Today we're doing the Galil. Oh, there's nothing in there. But today we are doing the Galil. The Galil is a great 5.56 weapon. Although it cannot fit any drum mags, it does have a complex and a great, it's complex because of the way that the sights are, like the canted rails, the rails, excuse me. It doesn't have janky aim, unlike the BAR or the SKS, and I do run this gun when I have it, especially in PvE, because it is one of those guns that is kind of cheap to put together. This is my current setup for the gun. Because it's one of those far ones, I always have it like way to the back as far as I can, and it just a pretty fast fire rate. Again, shoots 5.56, so it's really good for island. It does not hold drum mag, so the only mags it can hold is the standard StanAX, which means it doesn't have as great as a mag capacity as a lot of those other guns, but it does a healthy amount of damage. And it's got a good fire rate too. I'm just bad. And it doesn't have that janky aim. It is a great gun to use, especially for island. I call it a Chad shredder if you can hit your shots. And again, it could be suppressed, all that great stuff. So I rate this gun a 7 out of 10.